Okay, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, thank you. So today we are here to discuss about the case study where we know the very familiar one academic portal is Unacademy. So Unacademy is a unique academic portal where they are providing the learning materials for the competitive exams like NEET, JEE and UPSC exams. So since they are very popular, the traffic for the Unacademy, that app, is very large. So to maintain the app and to streamline that app, that will be very difficult as of now. So this is one problem statement. So this is one case study. So what are the causes? What are the things it is being affected by this thing by Unacademy, that we have to give a proper solution for this, right? So first let us take a survey. You already taken survey from this from this problem. So let us discuss about this one. So over to you. First question I will ask you, have you brainstormed about this problem?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So anyone of you tell what are the possible way of solution is there?
So, sir, first of all, brainstorming about this Unacademy is we have to think about managing the large number of learners as well as the educators, and they should also provide some best quality videos so that learners can study effectively. Number 3 is managing the studies with latest technical equipments. Number 4, giving them personalized learning so that they can also improve it personally. And then last but not the least is giving their best by both sides, learners as well as teachers.
Yeah, very good. So these were all the points you have taken as a survey points, right? So from that we cannot take everything as to solve, right? So we have to choose any one to appropriate one to solve this problem, right? So which one among this you are witnessing that it is the most appropriate for solving this problem?
Yes, sir. Actually, Unacademy is an online-based class. They have to give a high quality of one video to the students. They have to continue to the studies at and Unacademy thinks they have to give extracurricular activities to the students. With the same time, they have to focus in their career and they have to learn something innovation with that app. Their main aim is to give high educated people have to give mainly high qualities of video to the students with to learn their studies.
Yeah, okay, very good. And so to develop a prototype, we supposed to have some idea. Before getting into the idea, we have to know what we know and what we do not know, and where we have to focus much, right? So let me ask the third question. What do you know about the opportunity, problem or challenge, and what you need to learn more about?
Unacademy is an leading online platform for education for competitive exam. It is very useful platform for beginners. It provides unique content to us, but it lacks some major things. There is a drop in their video quality because educators and learners both have different teaching styles. It varies for different persons, and many users at one website keeps the website to lag and makes the video to be at poor quality. What I want to learn more about is I want to know how the feedback helps both educators and learners to improve their teaching and learning, and how large online platforms use AI and cloud computing to maintain a website, and improvising their teaching tools help students to know more about the content.
Yeah, okay, very good. And the very final question is, who cares about or is affected by this opportunity, problem or challenge?
First of all, the learners, sir, they rely on the Unacademy for high quality and engaging learning activities. Then educators, their reputations and reputations and income depends on the platform effectiveness and content delivery. Third, the Unacademy management and developers, they must ensure the platform effectiveness and sustainability and innovations also. Next, the investors and the stakeholders, platform growth and platform growth and user satisfaction depends on the revenue and the brand image. Last, the parents and the guardians, they must depends on the school level learnings and trust and
Yeah,
it's trustworthy.
yes, what you said is correct. So almost we have completed the empathize part and define part clearly. So we got an idea how to go further, right? So again in another session we will sit together and we will brainstorm and we will get some more ideas, and we will choose any one idea from that which will suitably solve the problem, right? And then in another occasion we will meet again. Thanks for this your time and patience. Thank you.
Thank you.